Hi, my name is Maddie, and this summer I interned on the sales team at a company called Marcolin. I had a lot of different responsibilities and each day was very different, but some of my recurring responsibilities included making sure that the showroom was tidy and that we had everything stocked, creating a lot of UPS labels and sending out packages. I also did inventory for all of the samples in our showroom, as well as pulling weekly retail trend reports and updating the retail status and ATS on all of our corporate gifting assortments weekly. I got this internship last summer through a mutual connection, and I had 3 interviews, one with our head of retail, one with our head merchandiser, and one with my current supervisor. I enjoyed this summer getting more responsibility and learning more about the industry, as well as working with the same people that I worked with last summer. 3 of the most important things that I learned during this internship was how to use Excel for retail purposes, how to pull various reports from SkyPad depending on what is needed, and how the industry works from a sales perspective and how to work with the buyers. My advice for future interns would be that connections are key in this industry. Connect with anyone and everyone because you never know where it might lead.